What are we doing here, folks?
What are you making?
Banana bread.
Banana nut bread. This is how we're enjoying life at home, right? Right, Vera? Are we enjoying life at home? You want a bite?
Sweet tea.
Some of the very best memories you can make start at home.
Today, we're in Sweet Tea's Bake Shop.
The sugar.
I knew you were gonna add the sugar.
You did?
Oh.
So Porter's gonna add his bananas in, and then Simon's gonna add his banana. Vera's still too young to help, but she sure wants to see what's going on. Simon, would you like to add your bananas?
So, Tina, what do you call it when you bake bread with the grands?
A labor of love.
Oh, that's bad.
Oh, look at that. It's funny.
See how it's all incorporating and mixing together? We want.
We have to cook it. We have.
Yes, we do. Yes, we do.
We like to say teamwork makes the dream work.
This is the scoop when you bake it. If the batter tastes good, then the bread will taste good. All right, you take a bite and let your brother have a bite. You want a bite? What do you think?
Oh my God.
Tastes good to you?
Awesome.
Tastes like it's supposed to. There you go. This is our favorite way of loafing around, isn't it, Pop?
Uh-oh, hands in the pie.
Yum.
A preheated oven, 350 degrees.
350 degrees. Oh.
So, who's going to eat this in the bowl?
We are us.
Is it good?
Yum.
Do you think our neighbor is gonna like this banana nut bread?
Yeah, she's gonna love it.
She's gonna love it. And it was ready before you know it. Of course, the first thing we had to do was taste it.
But would we have any takers?
Who would like to have some homemade banana nut bread baked by Sweet Tea, Simon, and Porter Keil? Who's first?
I am.
What do you think, Porter?
Good.
Is it good?
That's right.
Good? Yeah.
Ooh, now Dad's in the action.
Okay. Do you love it?
Tell her it's fantastic.
Happy birthday, dear you.
I totally enjoy life at home like this. How do you enjoy life at home?
Share your stories, tips, and pictures with us.
Email us at tina@tinakeil.com.
And if you or anyone you know is even thinking of buying or selling a home,
We would love to help.
until next time,
We're the Keil team.
We deliver results
That move you.